So we saw Emma 2 weeks ago, right? And I think you told me that she'd been coughing for a long time. It was more like a year, right? And then what did I do? I gave you a couple of adjustments, and I think you feel better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, have you been coughing?
No.
Okay. Have you been sleeping better?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we're gonna do one more adjustment, and I think hopefully with this one you're gonna be a lot better. Okay. I don't think you are coughing anymore, but you're just a little congested, right? Do you know what that means? No? It means you just have some fluid, some stuff in your nose that needs to kind of clear. So is that okay if you do one adjustment?
Yeah.
All right. And mommy's right here next to you. Mommy's gonna hold your hand. So mommy's gonna sit there. You're gonna sit on top of this right there. Okay, very good. And I'm gonna be super gentle. Can you say popcorn too this time? Can you say it? Because it's gonna be a little popcorn this time, not a big one. And then mom's gonna put her hand right here. Yeah. And this is gonna feel pretty good. Bring your head back, Emma. Thank you. Mom's gonna hold this shoulder up here. Bring your hand a little higher. That's good. Good job. Now, the more relaxed you are, Emma, the easier it is. So just listen to me. Bring your head this way a little bit. Good job. It's almost done. She's so strong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Relax the neck. Good job. All right.
Popcorn.
Yay! Do I get a high five? You did so well. That was awesome. Now, the next one I do is going to be much, much easier. It's going to be on a new table. You're going to like that table because we can make it converted to kids' table. Sounds good? All right. So come with me back here. Mommy's going to come too. So we're going to change this so it's going to be your size. There we go. Yeah, so put your face in there. There we go. And I want you to say popcorn when you hear it, okay? And you can hold this one up. Yay! That was easy, wasn't it, Emma? That didn't hurt at all. I'll give you a high five. Okay, that was great. So let's go back over there. I'm gonna check the pressure on those two areas. I think we're doing just fine. Jump up here. By the way, we're finished with the adjustment today. Yeah, that pressure's clear. All right. So last time I saw Emma was on the 10th. That was 2 weeks ago, remember? So this time we're gonna space it out to 4 weeks. That means you're gonna be better probably for at least another 4 weeks and even after that. But we're just gonna do one more checkup just to make sure that sinuses are clear. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. It was great seeing you. Do I get a hug? Thank you. All right. That's it.